Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to your daily Dogecoin update. All right. Now, I have to be honest. I'm not exactly sure anymore what I said yesterday, but I believe what I said yesterday. The price was right here. I think around 15 cents or 15.5 cents. We can look that up. Yeah, it was right here at like 15.2 cents. So what I think I said. And I'll give you my thoughts and some more information on that in a moment. But what I think I said is that I thought it was most likely we would head up to 16.5 cents, where we have a strong resistance level. As you can see, historically, that's very strong. And you have a trend line there. And what I said then is that it was most likely that we would form some sort of a triangle, which it seems to be a very small triangle so far, because we're holding support at the 200 EMA. And that from this triangle, I thought it was most likely that at some point of time, because I think the market will stay bullish for at least a couple of more days, that we would get that bullish breakout. I think I said that, and so far, I do think that turns out to be true. But correct me, I could be wrong. I mean, in general, this is the situation right now, all right? Because what we're seeing, and I think that's quite interesting. Yesterday, Dogecoin had a ton of momentum. All right, so what you see in general is that Bitcoin yesterday morning had quite a lot of momentum. So then Dogecoin, which is very correlated to Bitcoin, also will rally up. And just in general, what kind of amplifies that effect is that meme coins also were relatively strong, right? So you have strong meme coins, strong market, so strong meme coins will rally. It's as easy as that. But right now, we have the problem, or at least it's not a problem, but it's a situation that we have a very strong resistance level. All right, that's that level at 16.5 cents. So to break above that, you need a lot of momentum and you need bullish market circumstances. And at this moment, I have to say, purely technically, this is very bullish. All right, we had massive bullish breakouts and we broke above the 200 EMA yesterday, and we found some strong support at that this evening when Bitcoin got a pullback. So all of these signs, I would say, are bullish. All right, and then if you look at the open interest right here, or the momentum, that's super high as well. You do see a bit of a spot sell-off yesterday afternoon. That's a little bit of a negative, but overall, it does seem very, very likely to me that we will get that breakout at 16.5 cents. Now, and that we will rally up higher. All right, so if we break above that level, the next key level is probably, well, there's a small one at 17.5 cents. But it's such a big bullish breakout that I think 18.5 cents is a more realistic price target. So do I think that's most likely? Yes. However, and this is kind of the problem that I have with it right now, is that it does seem that on the short term, if you look at the last like 5-6 candles, Dogecoin is very correlated to Bitcoin. All right, and I think that there's a chance, because it's the weekend, because the volume is so low, I think there's a chance that if we get some big sell orders over the course of the next 24 hours, that Dogecoin will react very heavily to that. So what I said yesterday is that it's most likely will form some sort of a triangle like this, so lower than how low we've gone. And I do think you should be prepared for this, right? I think the breakout is most likely, but I also think it's most likely that we will first get some sort of a pullback, potentially into 15 and 14.5 cents. And then I think we'll hold this triangle and eventually we'll break out. But that's what I think is most likely. Now, if Bitcoin just pushes through, if Bitcoin breaks above 64,000 today, then Dogecoin will also just break out. All right. So if that happens, I was wrong, because I do expect some sort of a pullback here. But keep that in mind. All right. 16.5 cents for Dogecoin and 64,000 for Bitcoin are just the magic levels. In whatever scenario, if we break above those, that's a great sign. Right, so because of the volume and because we have been quite bullish for some time now, I think some sort of a pullback is healthy and to be expected. But that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed. All right, so just be careful and be ready to long as well. I know that's a bit of a paradox, but you should be. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.